Arcadiafinance Review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. When you need a personal loan, it's tempting to go with the first online option you find. But most people get this wrong by assuming quick equals cheapest, and here's why you should look close at entity organization. Arcadiafinance 0. Arcadiafinance is a South Africa-based loan comparison service. You fill one application and they present multiple offers from up to 19 lenders. They specify an example. For a zero loan over 36 months at maximum 28% annual interest including fees you might pay per month. What you get: free comparison service, no cost to fill in the application, access to multiple lender offers to compare interest rate, term and service fees. What you give up or must check: the cost is ultimately determined by the lender, not just the comparison tool. Rate, term, fees vary widely. You still commit to repayment. If you accept a high-cost plan, you may pay far more than expected. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Use the comparison tool to get several offers. Step 2. For each offer, calculate total repayment monthly payment term to compare real cost. Step 3. Consider the term length. Longer term lowers monthly payment, but increases total interest. Step 4. Only accept an offer you can reasonably repay. Missing payments can increase cost and damage credit. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on the monthly payment looks low, and not the total cost. The surprising truth: it's not the comparison service that costs you, it's the loan terms you accept afterwards. In conclusion, Arcadiafinance can be a smart tool if you use it carefully, compare offers and pick the best value. If you rush into accepting without checking terms, you could end up paying a lot more. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more finance service reviews and what you're really paying for.